Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the source values and naming them. This avoids broken links later. First, pick or type your list on a sheet. Keep it contiguous, for example A2, A10. Once done, select that range and define a name via the name box or formula's define name. Make the name simple. Now, select the cells where you want the dropdown. Next step, open data validation. This is the action that links your target cells to the named list. You now set the actual dropdown. With your target cells selected, open data validation and choose Allow List. This tells Excel to limit entries to predefined choices. Then type equals range name if you used a named range, or enter the absolute cell range like equals sheet 1, $1.02, $1.10. Absolute refs prevent accidental shifts. Once set, make sure in cell dropdown is checked. Also, add an input message to guide users or an error alert to prevent invalid entries. These improve data quality. Finish by refining behavior and troubleshooting. Convert the source to a table or use a dynamic range formula so new items auto-appear. This prevents manual name updates. For multi-sheet solutions, use indirect combined with a valid name to reference lists per sheet. This enables dependent or cascading dropdowns. If a dropdown doesn't show, check for merged target cells, sheet protection, or that validation was applied to the correct range. If necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.